All right, so this case we have now is the last one.
Yeah.
All right, Marshall White.
Okay.
Did you still want Trevino?
Come on up.
Sorry. You still want Trevino?
Yeah,
It's ready for the.
he can be sent back, but I still would like for Matt to be here today. All right, court is calling 2024 CR 012811 and 2025 CR 001217W, State versus Dalen James Newman. Can I have parties announced for the record? State.
Megan Gowrie for the state.
Marshall D. White from Mr. Dylan Newman, Your Honor.
And are you Mr. Newman?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery in this case, and did you review with your client?
I am satisfied at this time, Your Honor.
All right, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. And there's an application in each case, counsel?
That's correct, Judge.
All right, each of the cause numbers, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And the cause number ending in 1217W, did you review the document entitled Waiver of Indictment, Reading of Information, and Rights under Article 1.051 and 26.03 of the Code of Criminal Procedure with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you sign it?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to have the grand jury hear the evidence in this case and make a decision on whether or not to indict this case? Did you understand?
Yes.
And did you also understand you're giving up certain rights your attorney has? Namely, your attorney has the right to have the passage of 2 days from the presentation of the information and 10 days to prepare for trial. Did you understand?
Yes.
And do you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you're giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived indictment, reading of information and rights under Article 1.051 and 26.03 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Did you review the felony information in that cause number?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you review the indictment in the other cause number?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, do you waive the reading of the information in the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, in each of the cause numbers, are you proceeding as presented on the information as presented in the indictment?
Judge, on the case, the waiver case with the information, it's going on offense, that's on.
It appears that you're proceeding on the Class A.
Yes, that's correct, Judge.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
On that other indictment, we're proceeding as charged.
No, thank you. All right. Did you understand in the cause number ending in 7W, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault causing bodily injury family? That is a Class A misdemeanor. Range of punishment is up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine. Do you understand? And the other cause number, you are charged with the offense of theft of a firearm as a state jail felony. Range of punishment is up to 2 years in the state jail facility and as low as 180 days and up to a $10,000 fine. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each of the cause numbers, if you have a plea bargaining agreement, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
In each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering into these plea bargaining agreements, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into plea bargaining agreements in each cause number?
Yes, Your Honor. You gotta speak up, Mr. Newman. I barely can hear you. I'm standing right next to you. He's gotta hear you.
Thank you. And the cause number ending in W, if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court would sentence you up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine. And the other cause number ending in the number 1, if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, each cause number, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
In both instances, I do, Your Honor.
Mr. Newman, in each cause number, has anyone threatened you, forced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And the cause number ending in W, the state is proceeding on misdemeanor family violence assault. They're recommending deferred adjudication. This is run concurrent with the death of a firearm. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition,
Yes, Your Honor.
and you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
Yes, Your Honor.
And the other cause number, according to the plea, there's a $0 fine. The case will run concurrent with 2024 PF 18961. I'm assuming that's the W case.
It is, and I just wrote that an indicted customer.
All right, so these two cases will run concurrently. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
And there is to be restitution of $629.99 to Academy. And the state is recommending deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea in each of the cause numbers?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you review this plea bargain agreement with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense is at the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State is at the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No such motions, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement and the W cause number, the state is asking that your community supervision be for a term of 1 year. There be no contact with the complainant, a BIPP, TAIP evaluation and follow recommendation. And the cause number ending in the number 1, they're asking that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 3 years. There be a top evaluation, community service hours, and no contact with academy stores. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state? And the court does not have to follow those recommendations.
Yes, Your Honor.
And the cause number ending in W to the Class A misdemeanor, how do you plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest? And in the cause number ending in the number 1, how do you plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence in each of the cause numbers.
In each cause, the state offers states to exhibit and move on in the documents.
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, state state in the cause number ending in W, would you speak with the complainant?
Just give me a minute. Yes, Your Honor.
State, you may be excused. In each cause number, did you review the waiver and consent to stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses, the state will call and the right to remain silent? Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that in each of these cause numbers today, the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, in each cause number, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication in each cause number. Counsel, are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge, and if I may say a few words on Mr. Newman's behalf, respectfully, we ask the court to follow the plea bargain above the line. With respect to the items recommended by the state below the line, Judge, we recommend that the court place a condition where Mr. Newman has no harmful or injurious contact with the alleged victim. I believe that is her wishes, the victim, that is to say, and they are expecting the child together in the very coming months. In addition, Mr. Newman is, he was at the time, Judge, been battling some homelessness. He's informed me that he has been allowed to come back into his home with his parents. And he's, currently trying to work through getting employment. He's a young man, like I indicated, just turned 20 years old this past August, I believe.
Yes, sir.
And That's what I have to say on behalf of Mr. Newman.
All right. And why are you not living with your parents?
He is now, Your Honor. He was not.
Okay, why were you not living with your parents before?
They didn't want me at home
Why not?
because of my inconvenience, because of my attitude.
All right, what was the issue with your attitude?
Anger, disrupting the environment at home.
Why were you doing that?
I felt stuck. I was trapped. Couldn't do anything to get out.
What were you trying to get out of?
I was trying to find work, trying to get up on my feet, and I just couldn't.
Well, how far did you go in school?
I got to my freshman, sophomore year, and I got homeschooled.
Sophomore year, freshman year of what? High school?
High school.
All right, so,
And then
and you say you were homeschooled, so why didn't you complete high school?
I graduated,
All right, so you graduated from high school.
but I did it through homeschool.
All right, so you graduated from high school through homeschool.
Yes.
So did you start going to school and then were homeschooled?
Yes.
Why?
They felt that I was being too bad.
Was they?
My parents.
All right, so they took you out of school to be homeschooled.
Yes.
So you have your, I guess, your high school degree
Yes.
and you can't get employment. Why couldn't you get employment?
People just weren't hiring at the time.
Where did you look for employment?
All over,
No, where is that?
like fast food industries, construction. I looked in retail.
So you didn't think maybe you needed to increase your level of education or go to trade school?
I've thought about that as well, but
But
I
did you
haven't
do it?
further proceeded. No.
All right. And then the person, the complainant in this case, in the police report, what I read is that she told you she was pregnant. And then both of you were drinking downtown. What were you drinking downtown? Alcohol?
Drinking downtown.
No, this is what it says in the stipulations. It says, victim stated that she was in a dating relationship that was on and off with the suspect, that's you. And they were trying to work things out because victim is pregnant and she made you aware of the pregnancy. Victim stated that she and S1 had been driving and drinking all day and she wanted to go home. It says that victim is homeless but wanted you to have a place to stay. So, and she tried to, well, she wanted you to have a hotel room and she tried to drop you off, but you didn't want to be dropped off. What's that about?
That
The fact that she tried to buy a hotel, well,
Yeah,
sorry, she tried to get a hotel room for you and to drop you off, but you didn't want to stay.
No, it wasn't that I didn't want to stay. We were there at the vicinity when everything happened. And from being downtown, we never drove.
All right, so
Or was
there's,
downtown.
okay. So then the hotel that she obtained for you, why do you want to stay there if you were homeless?
I was trying to stay there.
Then I don't understand, how did this go from you being homeless, she's trying to get you a place to stay, and then you're hitting her?
She didn't want to get it for me because of someone else that was with me. And I told her that that person wasn't going to be there. It was just a ride. I was just a ride.
Was it a girl? Okay.
And then she proceeded to strike me while I was driving. So I stopped the car and I didn't retaliate in hitting at first. I just poured her drink out. It was just Sunny D.
And whose car were you driving?
I was driving hers.
All right. And cause number 2025 CR 001217W. The court is going to sentence you to 1 year's deferred adjudication. There's to be no contact with Shayla Mills. Y'all are going to have to do child custody through a third person. And counsel, if she wants to have contact with him, she'll need to come in and speak to the court.
Oh, I understand, Judge.
There's to be 80 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once you, I'm sorry, not 80 hours. I'm going to order 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once you've completed parenting classes, 50 hours of the community service will be deemed satisfied. And then the remaining 50 hours will be satisfied if you obtain any type of trade school certification or you complete a higher level education. Otherwise, you can just do the 50 hours of community service and they're going to have you picking up trash somewhere. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider with minors. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. This will run concurrent with 2024 CR 02811. There's to be the BIPP course and field visits one time per month for 6 months. And cause number 2024 CR 012811, the court will sentence you to 3 years deferred adjudication. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 001217W. And counsel, I'm also going to put in the 2024 PF 18961 case in case there's some confusion in the system.
Judge, I would just say, with respect to the bib class, do you want him to take a bib course in addition to try to get a job and get some training?
Yes.
I think that's going to be, he's not going to be able to do it.
I'm sure he will. And there's going to be 3 years deferred adjudication. The cases will run concurrent. There's to be restitution and no contact with Academy. And the restitution amount is $629.99. Again, there's regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors, field visits one time per month for 6 months. There'll be 100 hours of community service restitution. And the same, if he completes parenting, 50 hours will be deemed satisfied. And the other 50 hours will be deemed satisfied if he obtains a higher level education or completes some sort of trade school. And let me see. Probation, is there anything else with regards to that case?
No.
Is there anything else you need from the court in either of these cause numbers?
No, Your Honor, but I don't know if Job Corps has anything to help with my cases.
Oh, the probation will speak to you. And each of the cause numbers, did you review the documents in its titled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And each cause numbers, because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. And the cause number in 2025 CR 001217W, because there's an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Sure.
All right, we can go off the record. To be successful on probation in this court, communication is key. If there's an issue, let probation know. If you feel as they're not addressing it, you can always come back to the court. All right, good luck to you. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
Thank you.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. Have a good one. Thank you. Yes. Let's see, I'm Doberman.
I am Judge Furry.
Court is calling 2024 CR 012617 State versus Jessica Nicole Doberman. Could I have Doberman?
Yes, ma'am.
Doberman.
Yes.
Could I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense?
Adrian Pettis.
Are you Miss Doberman? Counsel, have you received all discovery?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Did you review the document entitled admonishments and waivers with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with evading arrest, detention in a vehicle? That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Doberman?
Yes.
Doberman, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review, counsel? I'm sorry, just one second. Counsel, has your client been able to confer with you and provide you defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
The court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her rights to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, the state is recommending deferred adjudication. They're taking in consideration 2024 AL 001123. There's to be restitution of $1,946.55 to Nina Lopez under 2024 AL 001123. What cause number is that for?
I don't understand your question, Judge.
What system is that from? Because it is not coming up on Odyssey, that AL. What is the AL for?
At large.
Ah, so it's,
It's an at-large case filed, I believe, by SAPD with our office under review in our intake section. So for that, I would send an ICR to the
okay.
department, letting them know.
All right, that's all I needed. Thank you.
Well,
All right, did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea? I'm sorry, is that the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
State, is that the plea?
yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting your deferred adjudication be for a term of 3 years, 200 hours of community service restitution, and you're not to operate a motor vehicle until you produce a valid driver's license. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
Standing Exhibit 1 and attachment.
No objections.
And state, have you spoken to the complainant?
In 2024 AL 001123, yes, Judge.
All right, thank you.
We provided the restitution. Listed in the plea bargain.
All right, thank you. You may be excused. Did you review the waiver and consent to stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witness statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony.
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor.
All right, why did you take off?
I think I totally misunderstood when he handed me back my ID.
No, in the stipulations, it said you were causing a hazard. He came up to you and asked you what the problem was, and you told him you were out of gas. He asked you if you would need help with that, and then you'd sped off.
I just panicked. I really did just panic.
Why are you panicking?
I was just going through a lot with my children, with my husband.
Going through what?
I had just recently lost my job, and just a lot of stress.
All right, and this money that they're saying you owe to Nina Lopez, who is Nina Lopez to you?
I believe she resides in the same apartment complex.
Well, I mean, I don't know why you're saying you believe. How do you know her, and why do you owe her $1,946.55?
Honestly, okay. So I had my truck in reverse and I tapped her vehicle
Okay.
or hood of her vehicle.
And do you have a valid driver's license?
No, ma'am, I do not.
Did you have a valid driver's license during this
No,
incident?
ma'am.
So why are you driving and you have no license?
I know.
Well, I mean, we know that you know, but why are you driving without a license?
I just had went to the corner store to put gas. I know I should not have been driving.
If I may, Judge, she's been in jail 3, 4 months?
5 months.
5 months. She's had a lot of time to think about this. And I think she is prepared to make better decisions going forward. She did not like her stay at all.
No, I will get my driver's license as soon as I get out of jail. I don't have anything.
Why did you not have a license to begin with?
I just had not gone and renewed it.
All right. Do you have any children?
I do. I have a 14-year-old, a 12-year-old, and a 5-year-old that I have full custody of.
All right. So who's taking care of them?
My husband, who's out.
All right. There's going to be 200 hours of community service restitution. The court is going to order parenting classes, 3 years deferred adjudication, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. Of course, no contact with Nina Lopez. There's to be no driving until further notice. So if you want to drive a vehicle, then you need to come to the court and ask permission. And of course, if you come to the court and ask permission, I'm going to want to see your license.
Yes, ma'am.
So there's to be no driving unless approved by the court. Proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court? Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're
Thank you, Your
welcome.
Honor.
Oh, I'm sorry. Does she still have the warrant pending? Do I need to recall a warrant?
No, she's in custody, Judge.
All right, no, but I had a note on the file that there was something else. Is there anything else or no?
I don't know of any other cases, no.
All right, we shall see.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.